What is up, guys? It's CoffeeMaestro with another unboxing video. This time I'm gonna be unboxing the Neewer NW-800 condenser microphone. Alright, let's get this started. So in the box there is a pop filter. It's a windscreen, which is kind of squished at the moment. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It's squished. There is a scissor arm stand. I'm guessing it has to be like this. See how it moves? Oh shoot, I think I broke it already. There is a shock mount. I'm not really sure what this is, but here it is. It also comes with this. I'm not really sure what this is. It comes with a XLR to 3.5 millimeter cable, some manual for the mic, what the kit has. It's like a thank you. It's like a thank you note from Neewer, and we have, I'm not really sure what this is, but a little pamphlet, and of course the mic itself. It is from Neewer. Right off the bat, this mic feels sturdy. It has a metal body, so it's all metal, and it has a metal grill. It feels sturdy, but if you know anything about condenser mics, they are very delicate. This is where you put the XLR connection in so it can work. This mic usually costs around $20 on Amazon, but since I bought the kit that comes with the scissor arm stand and everything else you saw here, I bought it for around $30 on Amazon. As always, if you want anything that you see here, well, especially the mic, I will leave links down in the description so you guys can go and check it out. This mic, the condenser microphone, actually requires voltage to work. It doesn't really require the full 48 volts, but it does require 4.5 volts, as little as 4.5 volts. So if you have like a audio interface, it will work. If you have a sound card that's 4.5 volts, your mic will work. This mic will work. But yeah, that's basically it. It's basically it for this unboxing. It's not a review of the mic because I'm not really like a mic person. I don't really know much about mics. But if you guys do want to see a review on this mic, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. It's a video that I saw that actually helped me make the purchase of this mic. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.